Now just think that I am going to do the filtering. So based on average, I will do the filtering that I want to see only the students whose marks are less than 30%. There are 31, 30, 30, 30 like this. I want to see only these students. So that means only less than 30% scorer I want to see. What I am doing, I am selecting everything, clicking on filter. Now you can see some symbols appeared here like this with arrow marks. I want to do the filtering with average, so I am clicking on that particular arrow mark of the average column, then going for number filter, and since I want to see less than 30 marks scorer, I am going to the less than option and clicking here, and is less than, I want to see less than 30. Okay, fine. You can see only less than 30 marks are there and rest are removed. Does not mean they got deleted. They are there, but only less than 30 marks scores are shown.